Hi class, it's Wednesday, April 8th, and we're going to look at our calendar today. So grab your yellow duotang and join me for calendar. Remember, you can color your April page if you're not finished yet so that it looks beautiful, and we know coloring helps us focus, helps us relax, so color anytime you want today. It also improves our fine motor skills and our control for staying in the lines. Looking at our calendar for today, we need to add the number 8 here under Wednesday. 8 is 2 circles like a snowman. The top circle is a little bit smaller and the bottom circle is a little bit bigger, and they have to touch each other. The other way you can make an 8 is with an S shape and a close the gate, but those don't look as nice for me, so I'm going to do the 2 circle 8. Make sure they join together in the middle and you don't have pieces hanging out anywhere, so it looks like a nice 8. Today we're going to take a look at our calendar and we're going to do counting on how many days until. So if I was wondering how many days till Easter Sunday, I could start counting from today. I could count today if I want, but maybe today's almost over, so I could count how many days starting from tomorrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4 days until Easter. Woohoo, I'm so excited. How many days till Earth Day begins way here on the 22nd? I can count from today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days until Earth Day comes. I know 14 is the double answer to 7 plus 7, and each week has 7 days. So I know that if I go down 2 weeks, I have 14 days because that equals 2 weeks. If I'm wondering from today how many days ago was Emerson's birthday, I'm going to count backwards to Emerson's birthday on the 3rd. So Emerson's birthday was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. I hope she had a wonderful day. If I'm wondering how many days until Ramadan begins on the 24th, I can count down and remember 22nd was 2 weeks away. That was 14. Then I can keep counting 15, 16 days until Ramadan begins. If I'm wondering how many days till Max's birthday, I just need to remember that it was 16 days till Ramadan, so 17 days till Max's birthday. And if I'm wondering how many more days there are in April from the 8th to the 30th, I could do the subtraction question, 30 take away 8. And I might imagine in my head that 30 is 3 10 frames. If I took 8 away from one of those 10 frames, it would have 2 left in it. I would have 2 full 10 frames and 2 more, so the answer should be 22. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That mental math works. We're going to be doing some more mental math later using 10 frames and what we can visualize in our head when we do math. Turn with me for our number of the day. Oh, I'm sorry, my friends. Color your umbrella for number 8. Look at your weather chart. I'm going to pick a sunny day for Wednesday, and that means that I'm going to be coloring 1 sunny bar. And now I have a tie between sunny days and partly sunny days. You might have a different tie or a different weather depending on how you recorded the weather when you did your calendar during the day. Join us for number of the day on your next blank page. We're going to practice writing the date at the top because I think we're not doing that as much as we normally do at school. So Wednesday's a long day. Wednesday. I broke it into chunks just like I might if I was reading the word. I broke it into chunks to sound out the word. And it's April. Make sure your P hangs and you have a nice clear 8. Our number of the day today is 20. And we can decide is 20 even or odd. If it's even, it's the answer to a doubles question, and I know 10 plus 10 equals 20. And if it's even, I can count to it by 2s starting at 0. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I get there, so I know it's even. If I can't do either of those things, it's an odd number. It means I can't share 20 items between 2 people evenly. But we know it's odd, so we can do that. 1 more than 20, counting up, 2021. 1 less than 20 is counting backwards, 2019. We want to do 3 equations, 2 addition equations, and 1 subtraction equation. I'm going to make my equals and pluses a little bigger for you to see today. I can use my 10 frames if I quickly make 20 to help me with those equations. We know that 20 is the double answer I get when I do 10 plus 10. So let's write that one down right away. Now I can look at my 10 frame and decide other ways I could make 20. If I covered up one of these rows, and I'll just use a little crayon for that, I would have 15, and I've covered up 5. So I could easily do 15 plus 5 equals 20. I have 30 possible in my 10 frames. This one is totally empty. So if I took 30 full 10 frames and I took one of the 10 frames away, I would have 20 left, and that's the answer I want. So 30 minus 10 also equals 20. When I tally mark for 20, I need to make sets of 5. My 10 frames can show me quickly how many sets of 5 I have. I have 1 set of 5, 2 sets of 5, 3 sets of 5, 4 sets of 5. So I can quickly tally mark, down, 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 across, 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 and I've got 4 sets of 5, which matches my 10 frame. I still don't have anything in the hundreds yet, because we're not doing hundreds yet today. I have 2 in my tens column, and I have 0 in my ones column. Enjoy calendar and number of the day. If you get a chance, go to starfall.com and do the calendar there and have some fun adding as many crazy special days as you can imagine you might have in April. Have a wonderful day.